In the Archdiocese of Lingayen, Dagupan, we have already abolished the fixed fees for the sacraments.
Magkano po ba dati?
For example, for mass intentions, I think the fixed rate was 50 pesos.
Oo.
And then for baptisms, 50 pesos for sponsors and so on. But
Talaga?
it leaves an ugly, bad taste.
Yeah, oo.
You say the sacraments have no price tag,
Oo.
and yet when they ask for the sacraments, you ask for a fixed rate. So all of that have been abolished in the Archdiocese of Lingayen, Dagupan. So when you come forward in the office and the people ask, magkano po yung misa?
Hindi nga mo.
So ang standard sagot ng secretary ay, hindi nyo ho kayang bayaran. Hindi nyo kayang bayaran.
Oh, correct.
Because it is the blood of Jesus Christ. So, kung ano mo, kung meron ho kayo kayang ibigay, magbigay po kayo. Kung wala po, pwede rin ho, pero ilalagay namin ang pangalan ninyo para mamisahan.
Why can't this be a practice all over the Philippines?
Well, I think many dioceses have started to implement it. But it really depends on the collective discernment of the bishops with the clergy. They have to study this, discern the will of God for them, and then listen to the people.
Can you, as CBCP president, can you move to have this, again, legislated?
No, I cannot do that because, as I said, it really is, because there are so many things to consider. The pastoral situation in the diocese is very important. And practically every diocese is unique.
So there are cases when that is needed?
When that is needed, but always subject to catechesis. Because if a person asks you, magkano ho yung kasal, baka kailangan mo siyang sagutin na walang presyo ang sakramento. Kasi, kapag nilagyan mo ng presyo yung sakramento, ang tawag doon simony.
Simony.
Ibig sabihin, nagbebenta ka ng isang banal na bagay in exchange for money.
What are they paying for?
Wala silang pwedeng bayaran. Yan ang katotohanan. Actually, ang ibinibigay nila doon ay para sa maintenance ng simbahan, para sa maintenance ng kuryente, and so on. Para sa charitable work ng simbahan.
Would you recommend that to other dioceses at least? Your practice in Dagupan?
Yes. I firmly believe that this is the way to go. We should remove all forms of commercialism in the celebration of the sacraments. Because we received without pay, and we must give without pay. And I appeal to my brother priests, do not be afraid that you will lack. Sapagkat sa Pilipinas, wala namang paring namatay ng gutom. The people will always take care of us. If the people know that we are dedicated exclusively to God.
So natatakot yung iba na maguto, magkulang, ganun ba?
Natatakot sila na parang mapagsamantalahan, saying na pamisa ng pamisa, pero wala na yung element of sacrifice.